Hi everybody, my name is Prabal. Today I'm going to demonstrate my lab 1. So let's begin with the first question, which is to have a linear search algorithm using generic method IComparable. So let's begin with generate int. I have used generate double as well to differentiate within both of these. Let's begin with the first number, which is 5. When I click search, it says the value is at index 0, and if I do the last value, it will show that the last value is at number 9. And also let's go with the any random number, and it will show that the value is not found in the array. Let's go with generate double. It removes int values and it begins with double. Let's go with 0.65. Same as array, int array, it will show that 0, and if I click any number like 0.112, and it shows that the value is not found in the search. So let's go to the code. I have stored all the int and double values here, and also to generate 10 random numbers I have used the int method and also my IComparable method to search value that is in the array or not. If it's not, it returns -1. Also I have double value also, same as array, and to show my message box that the search value is found or not, I have used this method. As you can see, search value convert to int and search value convert to double, and then it is used here again. So let's go with the string builder extension method. Let's make it a startup project so that I can run it. Let's debug it, start without debugging, and it shows that the number this starts with this is to test whether the extension method count can return a right answer or not. So it is 16 words here. As you can count, this is 16. So let's go with the code, and the code is here. I have used the question to demonstrate it nicely so that it can show that there are 16 words in this question. So it has demonstrated that it has 16, and I have used string builder method here. So that's all. For the question, I have a split method to split the values dot length, and also a string builder extension method that returns dot string split dot length. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.